Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Nothing Phone 3 Pro, a device that's been making waves in the budget smartphone market. With its flagship-level features and a price tag that doesn't break the bank, is this the ultimate budget phone? Let's find out. First up, the design. The Phone 3 Pro is a stunner. It features clean, geometric shapes, flat surfaces, and straight sides, giving it a sophisticated look. The transparent back panel with the iconic Glyph Interface adds a futuristic touch, while the high-grade tempered glass and precision-machined aluminum accents ensure durability. Plus, it's IP64 rated for dust and water resistance, so it's ready to handle everyday spills and splashes. Now let's talk about the display. The Phone 3 Pro boasts a massive 6.77-inch FHD plus AMOLED screen with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. It's bright, like really bright, hitting up to 3000 nits of peak brightness, whether you're scrolling through Instagram, gaming, or watching HDR10 plus content. This display delivers stunning visuals with over 1 billion colors and a 1:1 contrast ratio. Under the hood, the Phone 3 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 5G processor, built on a 4nm process. With an 8-core CPU, up to 20 GB of RAM booster, and the Qualcomm AI engine, this phone handles multitasking and gaming like a champ. It's also optimized for on-device AI, making tasks like photo editing and voice commands faster and more efficient. Now let's talk about the camera, and oh boy, this is where the Phone 3 Pro truly shines. It features a pro-level quad camera setup, a 50MP OIS main camera for shake-free shots, a 50MP periscope zoom camera with 3x optical zoom and up to 60x ultra zoom, an 8MP ultra-wide camera for those expansive landscapes, and a 50MP front camera for stunning selfies. Plus, you can record 4K videos with AI-powered stabilization, perfect for capturing life's moments in stunning clarity. The massive 5000 mAh battery, the Phone 3 Pro keeps you going all day long. You'll get up to 26 hours of YouTube, 11 hours of gaming, or 45 hours of voice calls. And when it's time to recharge, the 50W fast charging gives you a day's power in under 20 minutes. Plus, the battery maintains over 90% capacity even after 1200 charging cycles. Now that's impressive. The Phone 3 Pro runs on Nothing OS 3, which is clean, intuitive, and packed with features. The Essential Space AI organizes your content and generates personalized suggestions, while the Smart Drawer automatically categorizes your apps for quick access. And here's a cool bonus: it integrates ChatGPT for on-the-go AI assistance. Talk about smart. Audio lovers rejoice. The Phone 3 Pro comes with stereo speakers for an immersive listening experience. It also supports Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, and dual 5G connectivity, ensuring you stay connected at blazing fast speeds. Nothing is committed to sustainability, and the Phone 3 Pro reflects that. Over 50% of its plastic parts are sustainably sourced, and it uses 100% recycled aluminum and tin. Even the packaging is plastic-free and made from 60% recycled fiber. With a carbon footprint of just 51.3 kilograms, this phone is as kind to the planet as it is to your wallet. So is the Nothing Phone 3 Pro the ultimate budget flagship? Absolutely. With its stunning design, powerful performance, pro-level camera system, and thoughtful AI features, it's a device that punches way above its price point. Whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just someone who wants a reliable and stylish phone, the Phone 3 Pro has you covered. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Nothing Phone 3 Pro. Until next time, stay tech savvy.